Arena of 43 athletes will represent Kenya at the 2020 Olympics that kick off in a month's time in Tokyo, Japan. Athletics Kenya named the star-studded lineup following the culmination of the three-day National Olympics trials at the Kasarani Stadium on Saturday. Mercy Kloba watched through the final day of the trials and now reports.
Curtains came down on the Athletics Kenya trials for next month's 2020 Tokyo Olympics in Japan, with 43 athletes booking tickets on the 29th edition of the quadrennial event. Olympic 5,000 champion Hellen Obiri is one of the star athletes that will fly flag after starring in the 10,000 meters women's race alongside Irene Cheptai and Sheila Chelangat, who also sealed their tickets.
We have no pressure because Olympics are championships. Everybody here anaenda kukimbia race yake. For me, I have no pressure. I'm going to do my best.
Some of the other key names in women races are Faith Kipyegon, Winnie Chebet, Beatrice Chepkoech, Ivan Kiang, Bridget Kosgei, and Ruth Chepngetich. Marathon hero Eliud Kipchoge will lead the Kenyan marathon troupe after sealing a slot in the 42-kilometer race along with Amos Kipruto and Lawrence Cherono. In the 1500 meters race, Charles Simoto was the unlikely hero, destroying a strong field to emerge top in 3 minutes, 32.75 seconds, as Timothy Cheruiyot, a 3-time Diamond League winner, finished 4th. Leonard Bett floored Abraham Kibiwot and Benjamin Keegan in 3,000 meters steeplechase men final. In the 800 meters men's race, Kenya will be represented by US-based Michael Saruni, who stormed to victory in 1 minute, 45.81 seconds, as world bronze medalist Ferguson Rotich and Emmanuel Korir secured a podium finish.
Hisi mzuri, niko na furaha, narudishia Mungu shukran kwa siku ya leo vile nimejikatia tiketi ya Olimpiki. Ile kazi iko mbele sasa ni kuenda kung'ang'ana tuone hiyo podium iko aje. To qualify from semis to final, and then we'll see.
Other names that will be in Kenyan colors in Tokyo are javelin master Julius Yego, Daniel Simiyu, Nicholas Kimeli, and the sprint duo of Ferdinand Omanyala and Mark Otieno. The team hits camp on Wednesday at Kasarani before flying out to Japan in 2 groups on July 17th and 18th, just a week to the start of the Olympics.
As the National Olympics trials comes to an end today, we witnessed a fierce competition from the world champion Hellen Obiri, making a stellar performance from the 10,000 meters compared to 5,000 meters where she scooped the 2nd position. Mercy Kloba, TV47 Sports.
Moving